Hey guys, my name is Rihanna and welcome back to my channel. This is the packaging the hair comes in. On the back it says the best design, the best you. And when you open it up, it also comes with these 3D eyelashes and the wig itself. This is their pink 14-inch bob wig with bangs. If I can get it up. It's synthetic. It's about $20. The hair looks really nice and feels soft. It almost looks like human hair a little bit. It's not bad. This is the bang. And then on the inside has a clip in the front. And then another clip in the back with adjustable straps. Now, looking at the wig, I've noticed that it has these spots where you can see the track. So, can you see that? Like, it doesn't take much for you to be able to see the track. But this is what the wig looks like. And the wig is about $20. So let's put this baby on. I don't know what I was expecting with this wig, but okay. So, pretty easy to put on, you don't have to do much. The bangs seem pretty even. Of course you can cut or trim them however you'd like. So, not really getting any shedding at all. But this is what it's looking like. So, yeah. I mean, nice dress up wig or something like that. I don't think I would just wear this out for no reason, but it is cute. I have the same wig in black, so I'll link that in the description below. But this is what it looks like. That's the bangs. Not bad. Actually, I did get a few strands that came out. Like 4. And I want to say the hair is pretty even. It's cut pretty even. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know any other type of videos or any type of wigs or locks or anything else you want to see from me. And thanks for watching.